Hi everyone, I'm Lucia. Welcome to my channel, and today I am doing a reading for whoever needs to hear this right now. This message is timeless, so anytime that you are drawn, this could be for you. Of course, take what resonates and leave the rest, and always be true to yourself. So let's see what is going on. What is the message for today? So we have the Chariot, the Death card, the Ace of Swords, the King of Swords, the Ace of Cups, the Seven of Cups, the Two of Cups upside down, the Knave of Wands, the Strength card, and the Wheel of Fortune. We have the Knave of Swords and the King of Wands. And okay, so let's see what is going on with this so far. So we have the Chariot. You guys are like go, go, go. You guys have been working and things have been going very good for you on your goals. You guys have been achieving your goals, just taking the steps, and things have been progressing. And now you guys are thinking about letting something go or giving up or something. So this is a death card. So I feel like with this, there's going to come some change. There's going to come a change in how you guys are doing this. You may have to make a big change. And some of you guys might be hesitating about this. Some of you guys might be excited about this because I feel like for some of you guys, this might bring a relief in some way, even though you kind of want things to go where they are. So right now you guys are like masterminding with the Ace of Swords. You guys are thinking about making decisions, changes. So this is about what are you doing next? How are you going to deal with this? What's the next step? How are you going to go about this? Are you going to let something go? Are you going to put a creative twist to this? Are you going to do things, keep things the same, or maybe just change the way you're doing it? So I feel like in the past you had these ideas and it was like you were so set on this idea. So this could be making it very hard to let go of the way you were doing things in the past or thinking of doing them in the past. You thought that in the future you had one vision. But now with the Ace of Cups, you're starting to see that things are going to be different. So you have to change something in order for things to work out the way you're going to be happy about them. And the Seven of Cups, this is all about making sure you make the right decisions, making sure that everything that, that you're thinking about what is the right thing and what is not the right thing, and what may look like the right thing and not be the right thing, but you want to make sure that what you're deciding is going to be the right thing for you. So the Two of Cups. You might not be feeling this. I feel like you guys are going back and forth with, I need to make a change, or maybe I should hang in there. I need to make a change, or maybe I should hang in there. The Knave of Wands. You guys are working, 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 and you feel like maybe some of the work that you're doing is like not for nothing. You guys are, there's work, work, work to do, and some of you guys might be feeling like, why am I doing this if I'm not going to continue doing it like this? What's on your mind strength? You guys are strong. You guys are not feeling this right now. Some of you guys, anyway, of course, take what resonates. I feel like you guys are very strong. You guys have been through a lot, and you guys are going to get through this. You guys are going to handle this, but you might be not feeling the power right now because you're kind of like unsure or fear of the unknown. Yeah, hold on to that strength. The Wheel of Fortune. So this is all about sometimes things are good, sometimes things are not. This is like cycles. So you guys, I feel like the decisions that you guys want to make now, it's like you want this to be secure for forever. Like you want this to keep going and be secure for forever. You want this to be long term. You don't want to go through this again. So right now, this is really about the work that you're doing, the Knave of Swords and the King of Wands. So this is really about making those decisions, planning, writing your plans down, and then doing the action and finalizing it. So you guys want to make this thing, you want to build the foundation. Like you guys have built the foundation, but now you may have to reconstruct it. But you guys want to really do this and have it done. Like you guys want to have this done and steady and then keep things going the way you are planning for them to go. So what else? What else do we need to know? What else do we need to know? And you guys love what you do with the Two of Cups. You guys love what you do with the Two of Cups. And then with the Four of Wands, you guys are really good at planning things. You guys are very structured. You do your research. You guys are really good. And you have a lot to celebrate too with this. This means celebration of how far you've come. And you guys are not feeling that right now. So you got the Lovers and the Three of Cups. And this is like a challenge. You guys are not feeling good about yourselves right now, but you guys have a lot to feel good about because you guys have come such a long way. You guys have done a lot. So if you really look back on your progress, you guys will realize how much you guys have done and put into this. And you guys might be feeling like a little bit reserved right now while you figure out your stuff. I'm getting like Hermit card vibes with this. You guys want to go and think like, I feel like this is all that's on your mind right now. The King of Cups. Be gentle with yourselves. Don't be so hard on yourselves and don't take things too seriously. That's what I'm getting with this card. Yeah, you guys have the work on your mind. Here's the King of Wands again. The King of Wands. The King of Wands. You need a little bit of King of Cups in there. This is work, work, work. Focus, focus, focus. You need some fun in there. You need some lightness. You guys want to help people with this. So I feel like whatever you guys are doing, this is on your mind too. This is really on your mind. If you guys want to work, you guys want to help people. So whatever you're doing, you really care about this, and you guys are really good at it, I feel. Deep down inside, you know you have to do something different. You have to have another vision, and you're going to bring that to life. Just like you have gotten your first plant, it came to life. You guys are going to do this again, and you're just going to change something. So it's not starting all over. It's just like tweaking something, changing something, letting one thing go, putting more attention on something else, and then maybe bringing that thing back, or just shifting the way you are doing whatever you're doing. Or yeah, you guys are going to change something. This is going to bring much happiness to you, much stability, and financial success. I feel like with you guys, and it's gonna be like a new you, judgment. This is like a rebirth. You're rebirthing whatever your goal is. You're rebirthing. It's going to also be a new you because now you have gone through another thing that you feared maybe, and then you're gonna see that just the way you have seen the progress in the past. You're gonna see that in your future goal, whatever you're shifting, whatever you're changing. It's gonna be like a new you. Anything else that we need to know? The Five of Swords, the Five of Cups, and the Fool. So this is what we're not seeing. The Five of Swords, the Five of Cups, and the Fool. So whatever you may think people are looking at, they might be disappointed because you kind of wanted things to stay one way. So you're worried that maybe somebody might say something and say like that you failed, but you're not failing. You're still there. You might just change something. And so, yeah, so this is going to cause you some grief. Like you're going to feel like a loss here, but there with the Fool card, there is nothing. You're not losing anything because it's you. It's not the way you're doing something is the way you're doing it, but you're still there. You're not losing yourself. So you're just going to flip a little bit of something. You're going to change something about how you're doing it, but you're not losing yourself. And the Fool is about being carefree. It's about doing things in the view of a child without the emotional attachment to it. So if you can detach the, I guess, the outcome, detach yourself from the outcome. Let go of the attachment to the outcome and you focus on your goals, because these are your goals. The happiness, you're going to rebirth, and these are your goals, is the King of Wands, and you're going to help people and you're going to be successful doing it, you know, and these are your financial goals, your wellness goals, like everything, like stability. These are your goals. So focus on the goal, the purpose, and your project. For focus on the decision making, you know, their actions, and you're going to see the outcome just naturally come. We don't want to just focus on the outcome and forget about why we're doing what we're doing. We want to stay focused on why you're doing, on the why. Why are you doing this? Stay focused on that, and that always, you can't go wrong with that. It's coming from your heart. This is something that you guys are good at. You guys are natural at. So hang in there, you guys. I wish you well.